open it. Should I open the door? Should I open it, right? Oh, it's got it.
You excited, Noah?
Yeah.
I know how these used to go because me and my brothers used to wreck these, and you could. Can you?
That's a big piece.
Let's see. Does it look like it goes? Use the third one. And so these, the first thing that happens with these always is that if you better, I think, and then back in the day when I was a kid, they were still okay, but I don't always need the detailed instruction. I just got to see something. That doesn't mean I don't need it.
Oh.
When it's done.
Whoa, that's cool. There you go.
Daddy picked it. Hot Wheels too is a lot of it interconnects. You can buy another set. If you don't buy the goofy sets, they're like the dinosaur set, they're dumb. And buy ones that are actually official Hot Wheels sets. They usually go together. I guess they gave us a shadow on. They're all getting put back on. And Mommy gets to pick. Abe and Noah, these are similar. Which one do you want?
I like the green. That one in